The biggest risks of AI, in my opinion, are not what people think of first. It's not strong AI gone wrong, superintelligence taking over, subjugating us. It's actually the relatively weak AI systems that we have now doing damage, although they're being used with the best intention, perhaps by people who don't understand AI all that well. And because we don't have enough experts, real AI experts, yet there is great demand for AI expertise, I think increasingly AI systems are being built and run and also basically assessed in the world in what they do with the world by people who don't have a lot of expertise. That worries me.
Wir sehen heute schon sehr viele Anwendungen, viele Studien, auch viele Tools, die schon in praktischen Betrieb sind. Die meisten von diesen Tools fokussieren sich auf Anwendungen in der Radiologie, in der Bildanalyse, aber auch in der Kardiologie. Sie können helfen dem Arzt, Sie können dem Radiologen unterstützen in der Analyse von Bildern, Sie können dem Pathologen unterstützen. Und das sind sehr, sehr wichtige Unterstützungen.
Here at RWTH Aachen, which of course is one of the best engineering and technology universities in the world, right? We have a broad view on AI. We don't just run after the latest hype. We look at a broad range of AI techniques, but we also look at a broad range of applications. Our vision is to actually connect all faculties, all disciplines across RWTH, across the university, in their quest to use AI in order to do better science and better engineering and to provide value to society.
KI kann zum Beispiel helfen, Patienten zu monitoren, Patienten zu überwachen und ihnen dadurch die Möglichkeit zu geben, das Krankenhaus zu verlassen oder nicht betreut werden zu müssen und zu Hause leben zu können. Die KI kann dann helfen, aus den Signalen, die sie von den Patienten bekommt, frühzeitig zu erkennen, ob Gefahr besteht und eventuell selbstständig sogar den Notarzt alarmieren.
So with AI, it's not a value-neutral technology. It's our choice what kind of AI we get. And the kind of AI that I think we should want is human-centered AI. It's AI that doesn't try to replace people's intellectual capabilities outright, but rather meaningfully augment these capabilities, compensate for some well-known human weaknesses and limitations. That's the kind of AI that I think would be most useful, also economically most valuable, in fact, and also societally most easily acceptable. So human-centered AI. I also think we want AI that is focused in the kind of problems it tries to solve on the big problems of our time, on things like the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And finally, I think we want AI that doesn't just benefit the shareholders of a few large companies, but society as a whole, all the stakeholders in society. Not everybody will benefit equally from all AI techniques, of course not, right? But we should think about broad benefits when we develop these systems and when we deploy them.